So I'm taking a look at shoulder flexion and specifically looking at the muscles that are associated with that movement. We have to realize that the first 30 degrees of our shoulder moving up is going to be only focused on our shoulder joint and the shoulder flexors there that allow that movement to begin working. Past that point, every 2 degrees our arm moves up from 0 to 180 is going to be our scapula muscles working to rotate our scapula to allow our arm to do that. And so our scapula rotates 1 degree for every 2 degrees that our arm goes up. The upward rotation muscles are going to be the upper trapezius and the lower trapezius, as well as the serrator anterior. The assisting muscle is going to be the middle trapezius, and those are the muscles when considered the upward rotation movement of the scapula. And then starting up 180 and moving downward as we're performing this motion to go back to 0 degrees, we have the levator scapula and the rhomboids. They both work in basically the same way. The levator scapula pulls upward on the superior angle of the scapula, allowing it and causing, or for that reason, it's the prime mover of the downward rotation movement. And then the pectoralis minor is also another one that functions with that, which may sound weird because it's connected primarily on the front part of our body, on our rib cage, but because of the origin being on the front side, when it contracts and shortens, it still causes a downward diagonal towards that attachment, and because of that is why it causes and assists with the downward rotation movement of our shoulder going from 180 to 0.